Hey guys, my name is Patrick Flaherty. I'm represented by Rob Diamond Agency and I'm 32 years old. Today I'm going to make a cocktail for you called the Paloma. It's a good summertime drink. We're going to start with a highball glass full of ice, and then we can go ahead and use our jigger. Put in full ounce of triple sec. We've got Husong tequila, very smooth reposado. We're going to go ahead and click 1 ounce of that. Just a splash of lime juice. Then we've got grapefruit juice, just a splash. We'll go ahead and put that all in our shaker. Pour it right in there. And then we're going to top it off with this Hansen's Grapefruit Club soda. Give it a lime, and it's ready to go. You can serve that with or without salt. There's one extra one for you. Well, thanks so much for your time. Hope to see you soon.